Let's walk through how to create a logo for an AI music generator with Looka.com. Start by entering your company name. Pick your industry. Pick some logos you like. Pick some colors. Pick symbol types. Looka generates logo suggestions. Select a logo to start from. OK, now we're in the logo creation page. On suggested, you'll keep seeing logo types if you want to switch. In the menu below, you have all of the parts of the design. You are able to change these separately as you go. And in the middle, you have a view of the logo in different use. It's very useful that you see the logo in all these environments. This first logo we chose actually looks really good, but let's see if we can improve it. Let's add a symbol. Let's change the color as well. This looks good, but maybe isn't right for what we're doing. Let's go back. Let's add a symbol. Just trying some different colors. Let's go back to layout. And maybe change the palette again. Now we're getting there. Let's go back to the symbol again. We're happy with this one, even though you could work on things like this forever. The logo is bought as a subscription together with other assets, and Looka offers several different pricing tiers. That's it. Thanks for watching.